Today let's go and unbox our new NFTs, the Hoopas. This is the Hoopas main website, it's 3pixel.com, and the specific link to unbox it is box.3pixel.com. There's been a little bit of delay as I found a vulnerability, but that's now fixed and we can unbox. So we'll jump into my backpack wallet, put in the password and unlock it, and we can see I've got 3 boxes that I'm going to unveil. This is the first stage of revealing your Hoopas. I've just popped into the Hoopas Discord. They have a box opening giveaway. So if you do actually capture a screen recording of your unboxing and share the video on Twitter using the hashtag #theboxisopen and tag the Hoopas, then you get an entry into getting an assembler or a box. And this is the rarity of the box opening, an item overview. So regarding the Tribe NFT, there's one of those in every box. And this NFT determines which tribe your Hoopa belongs to and ultimately transforms into a character from that tribe. And with power-ups, there are 15,000. And you can reveal between 1 and 3 power-ups in your box and use them to increase your chances of obtaining rare traits. The power-up needs to match your tribe in order to be used, and you can use a maximum of 3 power-ups simultaneously, which are then burned upon usage. And it's pretty easy how these all match up. So Ua and the leaf, Duro and the rock, and then so on. Spark and flame, lightning and zap, and kook and feather. And then you've got the assembler. So this supply is 2,000, so this is a lot more rare. This powerful item allows you to change your Hoopa's identity at any time. Think carefully before using it, as you can only use it once. The specific Hoopa you will receive is unknown until the assembler has been used. I think this is a really cool utility. And then the shiny crystal. So supply of 90. Using the shiny crystal in phase 2 guarantees you to receive a shiny Hoopa. There are a total of 100 shiny Hoopas and 90 crystals. So 10 Hoopas will be shiny automatically, and then the others will have to use one of these shiny crystals. So let's open our boxes and see what we have inside. Now, by the way, I use OBS software to screen record, but you can use loom.com if you're just starting out. It's free and easy, and you can just easily show what's on your screen. So then you can make a small clip and just put it on Twitter. And you can show off whatever you want. Whatever NFTs you have, whatever you've done, you can do it. But let's go ahead and open our box. So we'll connect our wallet, connect here, and then click on open, and then we can select one of these. So we'll go with the first one, and we can get between 2 to 6 NFTs. Now this animation should start automatically, however, sometimes it doesn't, so just click on replay, or you can click on skip. And here's our revealed NFTs. So we've got a power up, the assembler, and a tribe. So we'll close this and go on to the next one. Let's click on open. And now the animation's working a little bit better. Let's see what we've got inside. Remember, 2 to 6 NFTs. And here we've got 3, 2 fire power-ups and a tribe. Our last one, let's open this one. We'll skip the animation this time and we'll just see what we've got. Okay, so this time not as lucky, only 2 NFTs. We've got a power-up and a tribe. Now we've got nothing else to open. So we'll have to wait until the reveal Hoopas is unlocked. Hopefully that's not too long away and we can see how we can build our Hoopas together. If you want to buy a Hoopa, you can get it at tensor.trade. These are the boxes. These bananas were an airdrop play early on, and these are some of the contents of the Hoopas. That's all for this video. I'll cover the Hoopas again when the next stage is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.